How's it going, guys? So today we're going to be building a cleaver. One of my brothers just recently reached out to me wanting to do a going away gift for one of his staff sergeants. So he figured in talking we would do a cleaver. That way we have more space because he wants the blade etched with this whole big, thank you from everybody thing. So in talking with my jeweler, who's going to be doing the etching for me, cleaver was the best bet. We got a lot of real estate to work with, and who doesn't like a badass cleaver? So we want to do some more videos. Figure this would, why not, something for another fellow Marine. It's going to be great. It's going to be a fun build. So here's the initial design for the cleaver. We're going with a 5.5 inch cutting edge, a 4.5 inch handle, and the handle's where this is going to get a little interesting. The idea I came up with to give it something to stand out with, because his plan is this is to be a desk piece. We'll be making a stand for it as well, but that'll be later on in the video or another video itself. But the plan is to do a 3-piece hidden tang using oak and paddock to match the colors of the Marine Corps dress blue pants, the blue and the red, for those of you who don't know. So the plan is to get some oak, stain it blue, sandwich that together between with a piece of paddock in the middle and 2 brass pins. And the plan is for the middle, I'm going to be inlaying a Eagle Globe and Anchor, black one, not the gold ones, in the center of the 2 pins, just to give it another, whole entire Marine Corps feel to it. And then everything on the blade, as we said before, will be etched. And I think I'm going to do a high polish on it. We're not too sure how we want that to look yet. But that's the basic idea. And a brass bolster in a sense, just to give it some more shine, something contrasting. But that's the design, and now we're gonna be working with 1084 for the stock, and now it's time to start making this thing.